Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to quickly enable or disable full screen mode in Microsoft Word to give you a clean, distraction-free workspace. There are two main ways to do this, including a modern feature you might find even more helpful. Let's dive right in. First is the classic ribbon method. Open your Word document and look at the top right corner of your screen, right next to the minimize and close buttons. You will see an icon called Ribbon Display Options, which looks like a small box with an upward pointing arrow. Click that icon and select Auto Hide Ribbon. Your document will instantly expand to fill the entire screen, hiding all the toolbars. Whenever you need to use a tool, simply move your mouse to the top edge of the screen and click. The ribbon will temporarily drop down for you to use. To disable this full screen view and go back to normal, click that same Ribbon Display Options icon again and choose Show Tabs and Commands. This pins your tools permanently back to the top. Now, if you are using a newer version of Word, there is an even better option called Focus Mode. Go to the View tab on your main menu and click on Focus. You can also find a small focus icon down in the bottom right corner of your Word window. Clicking this instantly darkens your background and hides everything except your page, creating the ultimate environment for writing. To exit Focus Mode, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. That is how you control your workspace and remove distractions in Word. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching ClearTask, and I will see you in the next video.